Hi, I'm Binshad from Lakshya Kochi. I'm attending classes for final course of CA. I've been scouting around for classes from previous students and my friends, and I had been searching for good faculties for various subjects, and that is when I came across Lakshya. Lakshya provided all the subjects in final course, which wasn't available in many other institutes, because of the constant change in the recent change in portions and syllabus. So I was very glad that all the subjects were available at Lakshya. Also, I was very skeptical about the faculties and the quality of the faculties, and once I inquired around with other students, I was able to realize that Lakshya provided the best faculties, which is why some of the best faculties in Kerala come and give their classes in Lakshya. So I enrolled for direct tax classes with Mr. Siddharth Surana, who is from Bombay, and I was pleasantly surprised that he was able to communicate very well with the students in Kerala. Bearing in mind the language barrier, he was able to integrate English and make the class very jovial and enjoyable for students from the local community. His coverage of the subject is quite intense and quite vast, and he goes about explaining all the sections and all the clauses in such detail that it makes tax learning very enjoyable. And also it's very important to note that not many faculties in the final level provide revision of IPCC portion or the PCC portion, but Siddharth sir from the very beginning made sure that he covered IPCC portions, and that helped in better understanding and grasping all the portions that were related to the final course. And also another important aspect is many a times faculties are able to cover the subject and the different areas in the subject quite well, but are not able to help us in how to tackle the subject from an exam point of view, on how to deal with questions and how you should be answering and the formats and all that stuff. But Siddharth sir was very particular. He kept guiding us throughout the whole process, and he made sure that it was not just that we could embrace the subject in class, but also we could translate whatever we learned in class through to the exams and also in real life. So I'm very glad that I came for his classes, and I suggest all of you attend his classes and reap the benefit of having a faculty from a different part of India come and help us back down in Kerala. Thank you.